Hello, beauties. So, today I will do a smoky eye with statement blue eye shade. So, let's start it. To create this look, you need a black gel eyeliner, cream concealer, blue eye shade, pink eye shade, and this mattifying powder, and then a beige metallic eye shade, rust color, brown color, and this beautiful pinky copper shade. So first I will take medium fluffy brush and apply light orange to rust powdered eyeshadow, and I will blend it. I will repeat the same step on the other eye. You can see I'm freely using it above my crease and below my brow bone. Next I will use this pinky copper shade. You can find this shade in almost all the palettes, all warm palettes. This shade is there. Also from Natasha Denona's Love palette. This is their pure love shade is just like this. If you have that palette, you can use that shade. And blend it. Blend, blend, blend. So now, next I will create half cut crease starting from the inner corner. Apply it up to half of your lid. Half lid. Cover half lid. Okay. And now I will fix it with powder, any mattifying. So now both eyes are done up to this step. So now I will apply blue color. Use a big flat brush so you cover more area quickly. Now I will apply black gel eyeliner on the outer corners and create a wing with this angled brush. This angled small eyeliner brush, not very small, but for eyeliners this is a medium. From the center of the lid, you will start the wing. Okay, and then it's okay if it is little messy because we will cover it with black eyeshadow. So use any black eyeshadow on top of it as we fix our concealer and foundation. Similarly, you will fix black eyeliner with any black eyeshadow. Use this dark blue eyeshadow between light blue and black. You will start, use flat brush, start from outwards to inwards. Now here, if your eyes are big, then you can cover half of the eyelid with dark blue eye shade. And if your eyes are small or medium, then you will stop here at 1/3. You will not go towards the middle. Because more light shade is used, it will make your eyes look bigger, and dark shades will make your eyes look smaller. So this is how you will create a perfect gradient from lighter to darker. To give extra depth, I will use brown here. You will use brown only in the middle area. Now, here you have choice. If your dress has more silver tones, you can use silver on the inner corners. And if your dress has more gold, then use gold in the inner corners and your brow bone. So I am using gold, beige metallic. And if you have choice, so then at daytime use beige gold and at night time use silver. And here you have choice. You can use all black eyeliner or you can use this metallic blue eye pencil on half of your eye. I am using it on my half eye. So this half blue and half black gives a very nice dramatic look to the eyes. Very wearable. Mascara, it's Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. My lower lashes. Oh, don't miss lower lashes, please.